Stand up.
Aboki, stand up.
I tell know this man.
I'm coming now by market.
Buy market. Which day?
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. What you buy?
I buy complaints. That is.
That day.
I mean buy. You know Sabi that is.
Not the new way they ask you question.
How much?
I buy him 5,000.
5,000. Now you are who follow?
Now me and only me go.
Only you go.
Look at me.
Okay. What do you tell Canada that
I
person?
carry
Truck. No be bicycle. Not truck where you carry. The day where you carry that this pressure, you see this man?
I go for this market now, buy small market. I carry them to this my bicycle. I just come close there. So this guy and this guy don't call me. He just close for me road. Don't call me. He tell me, maybe me why the buy avocado. I tell him say, I ask me don't pull I tell him say I never see don't pull He tell me, he give one market where he want to sell avocado. I just follow them go with Abena. So I just follow them go see the market. So the time why I go carry the Abena during the market, I never see this place. Now only this one, I count money 5,000. Now he help me carry the thing, put them for inside my bag. I just push on the road. I don't know maybe whether this guy be inside. I be noddy. I don't know. I just carry the market. $1 per house. I just drop off a shop. Tomorrow morning, yesterday, Chinaza come. I just go to I see on the market.
No.
This market now.
What can be your hammer about? Onye ndị anụ okwu Igbo ngere anụ okwu Igbo ede mmadụ bekee ngere anụ okwu bekee ngere anụ okwu bekee. This is my young man who had like a woman on the dark. Ọ dị ka ụka ya n'otu onye ọbụla ga-ere agụta nwee ike na ọjị ghọta ụka ịlafụla ụzọ gị mara na ga-ere aka ịma ekecha ahụ ọdọ na efụla ụzọ gị ga-aka gee ntị mara ha isi n'ọṅa this morning mara efọ gị mara ha ga-eka continue your story.
So I just